So in this video, we're going to talk about the most important things that you need to do before we get FC Mobile 25 season. So make sure to like and subscribe if you're excited for it. I'm also going to show you all the new players that we're going to get in anniversary event, and it is 100% confirmed, okay? I'm going to show you all the new confirmed players that we're going to be getting in anniversary event. Plus, we're going to have maintenance break before we actually have a new season. So you need to go ahead and be attentive and make sure you do these couple of things to not lose your account and to do everything right, okay? But first of all, right here you can see we've got this 91 overall Mascherano gift package that we're gonna go ahead and claim. We'll all take 3 Mascheranos, right? Plus we've got 500 extra gems, which I'll definitely take as well. If you go ahead and look at it, I've got, I think, 11,800 gems, which is definitely not bad. But as I said, we're gonna go ahead and check out all the new players that are gonna be coming out in anniversary event, as well as we're gonna go ahead and talk about what you need to do before we actually get the new anniversary event. First thing that you definitely must do though is in Retro Stars event, if you don't have that many Retro Stars tickets in your squad already, if you got them, don't spend them on any of these things, okay? Do not open any of these type of packs, these redeem machine packs. Don't spend any of them on those type of things. But if you don't really have any of those tickets left anymore, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and get into the store and actually get some from at least these Universal tokens, okay? You need to go ahead and get 400 of these Retro Stars tickets from Universal tokens, because you are gonna be able to exchange them, transfer them, whatever, exchange those Retro Stars tickets into new anniversary tickets. So make sure you go ahead and have as many of them as possible. I'm not sure how many we can exchange, of course, but if you've got like at least like 1,000, I think that's gonna be enough. But maybe if you got like 2,000, that's gonna be even better. I'm not 100% sure. But if you don't have any of them, definitely go ahead and exchange your Universal tokens. This is what EA FC Mobile tweeted right here, as you can see. This is from their Twitter account, or X account as it is called right now. The FC Mobile anniversary update is coming September 24th UTC. We know that already. What's new? Club challenge, football center, anniversary event, roster update, and user renaming as well. So you're gonna be able to rename your name, I guess, in game. If you don't like your name right now, maybe you created that account like 3 or 4 years ago and you don't like that name anymore, you were not able to actually rename that account, but now you're gonna be able to do that. Club challenge, we know what that is. It's like a challenge mode, but for La Liga and Premier League, and we can go on and get some rewards playing against real life opponents. Then football center is team of the week and matchups, of course. Anniversary event, we know what that is, and roster update, probably some gameplay updates as well. To prepare for the update, the game will go into maintenance mode at 2 a.m. UTC for approximately 3 hours. Make sure you go ahead and search what 2 a.m. UTC time is for your region to make sure to be 100% certain when that is in your region, I guess. And yeah, approximately 3 hours it is gonna go into maintenance mode, and you're not gonna be able to access FC Mobile at that time. During this time, you may not be able to access the game. Note that there is no season reset with this update, and your progress in FC Mobile will carry forward. So all your coins, all your gems, all your players, team overall, everything is gonna carry over. But yeah, it's not gonna be a whole reset, but it is still gonna be an update, right? It is still gonna be an update, and you're gonna be able to see a whole lot of new stuff. Mystery signings is already gone from FC Mobile right now as well, and Heroes event is gonna be gone very, very soon as well. But now all the new players, anniversary players that we're gonna get. So these are first anniversary icons, and by the way, these are for the first batch of players. We're gonna see second and third tier players as well. These are just for this is just team 1. We're gonna see a lot more anniversary players, but first of all, we're gonna be seeing these players. First of all, anniversary icons, of course. We're gonna get Gareth Bale, which was already leaked by EA themselves. Gigi Buffon, which was again leaked by EA themselves again. We're gonna get Peter Crouch. These are not only icons, these are heroes as well. Peter Crouch is gonna be a top striker, of course. Lucio is gonna be probably one of the best centre backs in the game. Then we're gonna get Park Ji-sung as well, the Man United legend. We're gonna get Manuel Petit as well. From Arsenal, we're gonna get Lilian Thuram. This is one of the newer cards as well, and one of the ones that were already leaked from EA themselves. And then we're gonna get Rudy Waller as well. So all of these icons are gonna be coming out in FC Mobile. This information information is from Madridista FC, by the way. You probably know him already, but yeah, this information is from him. But yeah, we're gonna be getting all of these icons and heroes when we get the new anniversary event. Plus, we're gonna be getting a lot more players, of course, as well. So we're gonna get, as you can see here, Trent Alexander-Arnold, Ben Seguir, we're gonna get Julian Brandt, Ricardo Calafiori, who scored an insane goal yesterday against Manchester City. Then we're gonna get Cole Palmer as well, Kremaski from Inter Miami, the Lionel Messi teammate. He's number 30. I do know him. We're gonna get Diaby as well. We're gonna get Antoine Griezmann card, Gray from Tottenham. We're gonna get Fatawu from Leicester. Endrick, that Endrick card is probably gonna be free as well. We're probably gonna be seeing a free Endrick card, which is crazy, right? Which is crazy. And we're gonna get Echeverry from River Plate. We're also gonna get Duet, the new signing for PSG. Then we're also gonna get Dimarco from Inter Milan. Inter Milan has got new badge, by the way, and AC Milan as well, I think. We're also gonna get Huijsen. We're gonna get Joe Bellingham. We're gonna get more players, by the way. This is just first page. We're gonna get Joe Bellingham, brother of Jude, of course. Coyote from Fiorentina. Lamine Yamal. We're gonna get Lamine Yamal as well, which is gonna be crazy. That card is gonna be crazy as well. Romeo Lavia as well from Chelsea. Lenormand, the new Atletico Madrid signing. Rico Lewis, as well as Romero, not Tottenham Romero though, not the one who plays for Tottenham. That is Alaves Romero. We're gonna get Pavlovic from Bayern, Paul Kubarsi as well. I'm very excited for that one as well. Paulinho, as well as Nusa, Minte, and Kylian Mbappe. So yes, we are gonna be seeing a Kylian Mbappe card, as you can see right there as well. Plus, we're gonna get a couple more players. For example, Savinho from Manchester City, as well as Thuram, son of Lilian Thuram, of course, the one who plays for Juventus. Then we're gonna get Rafael Varane, the new player for what's that team? I forgot. The newly promoted team into Serie A. Como, I think, right? That's Como, I think. Then we're gonna get Wharton as well, from Crystal Palace. Yildiz, the number 10 of Juventus, and we're gonna get Joshua Zirkzee as well, the new Man United signing. So these are gonna be all the new anniversary players that we're gonna get. Later on, we're gonna be getting more and more of these, but this is just first bunch of players. And also, these icons are 100% gonna be gone. So Michael Ballack, Clarence Seedorf, as well as David Trezeguet, these three icons are 100% gonna be gone. So if you want to go ahead and still have them in your squad, make sure you go ahead and buy them right now. I wouldn't really suggest it right now. If you want to buy them, you can. Wouldn't really suggest it, as I said, but you are not gonna be able to buy them anymore after the update, because, as I said, they are gonna be gone forever. But I've got, for example, Michael Ballack in my squad, and I think I'm gonna be able to save that Michael Ballack in my team. I'm gonna have him in my squad. You're not going to be able to get them, as I said already. All the tradable ones are going to become untradeable as well. So if you go like tradable Michael Ballack, tradable Seedorf, or tradable David Trezeguet, and if you want to go ahead and sell them, you need to sell them before the update as well, because, as I said, they are all going to become untradeable, and you're not going to be able to find them in the market. Only if you've got them in your squad. That's the only way you can go ahead and actually have them, actually go ahead and access it, of course.